you tensed about tenses? Well, no more. Namaste, children. This is Manisha Sagal from the Department of English, and today I'm going to teach you the next topic, tenses. So let's get started. What do you mean by tenses? Tenses are verb forms. There are three kinds of tenses: present, past, and future. So there are three kinds of tenses and four aspects. So in total there are 12 tenses. There are total 12 tenses. It's very important to learn four aspects because then it will be easier for us to learn all 12 kind of tenses. So there are three kind of tenses: present, past, and future. And there are four aspects: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Repeat with me. Four aspects: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So now if I talk about present tense, now we have already learned four aspects. So present tense: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Similarly, in the simple past tense, simple past. In present we have simple present, and in past we have simple past. Simple present, simple past. Present continuous, past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Similarly, future tense: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Simple present tense. Now let me teach you simple present tense. Simple present tense is used when we want to talk about things in general, or it is used when we want to talk about something which happens regularly or as a habit. Now let me brief you about my habits. I go to school daily. I drink coffee every morning. I usually get up early in the morning. Have you noticed something in all these sentences? Well, there is one thing common. I used first form of the verb. I drink coffee, drink, first form of the verb. I usually get, again first form of the verb. So simple present tense is used to express something which is your habit, and it is used when we want to talk about things in general or scientific facts. Let's check out the rule of simple present tense. What is the rule of simple present tense? Subject plus verb. In verb, I can say that present form of the verb or V1 or root form of the verb. So what is the rule of simple present tense? Subject plus V1, or I can say present form of the verb or root form of the verb or base form of the verb. Now next which is very important, S or ES added to root verb if the subject of the sentence is third person singular. So the rule of simple present tense is first form of the verb plus S or ES if the subject is third person singular. So now let us understand when we have to add S or ES. With I, you, we and they. Or I can say with I, you and plural person, we use root form of the verb. That is V1. And with he, she, it, we use verb plus S or ES. So we add S or ES with third person, he, she, it, with third person singular. With singular subject, we add S or ES. Now let me explain you with some examples. Like with I, What should I write? I write I play. First form of the verb. You play. Again, first form of the verb. He plays. This is third person, singular, I added S. He plays. She again plays. We use the simple present tense to talk about things in general. When we talk about something which happens regularly or as a habit, he usually gets up late in the morning. We visit the dentist once a week. We also use simple present tense to express general or universal truths and scientific facts. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. It doesn't rain much in Rajasthan. The earth moves round the sun. Now let us talk about negative sentences. When we frame negative sentences in simple present tense, we add do not or does not. With I, you, we, they, we add do not. And with he, she, it and singular subject, we add does not. For example, I do not sleep peacefully. She does not sleep peacefully. Now let us talk about interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, we first of all write do not or does. We first of all write do or does, and then subject and then first form of verb. For example, does she like to read science fiction? Now let us understand present continuous tense. Present means right now, and continuous means something at continuity. So present continuous tense is used to express actions which are happening at the moment. What is happening at the moment? The teacher is teaching. Some students are playing in the park. So how will we learn present continuous tense? Present means right now. Continuous means something which is happening, something which is going on in continuity. So present continuous tense is used to express actions which are happening at the moment. Alright, so let us talk about rule of present continuous tense. Subject plus is MR plus verb in ing form. Now how to make negative sentences? Whenever we make negative sentences, we always use not after helping verb. So is MR plus not plus verb in ing form. Interrogative sentences. Is MR plus subject plus verb in ing form. With I, we use am. With he, she, it, we use is. And with you, we, they, we use are. The present continuous tense is used to express actions happening now, at the time of speaking. I am taking my lunch. The children are playing in the park. Tina is making tea. It is also used to express temporary actions which may not be happening at the time of speaking. For example, these days we are looking for a new house. All the trains are arriving late. Now let us talk about the difference between simple present tense and present continuous tense. Simple present tense is used to express habitual actions, routine actions. We use simple present for things in general. Words like usually, generally, occasionally, rarely, often, never, and more are used with simple present tense. Now look at these two sentences. First one, I go for a walk every day at 6 a.m. It is in the simple present tense because it describes an action that happens every day as a matter of habit. Now let me talk about second sentence. I am going for a walk now. It is in present continuous tense because it describes an action going on at the present moment.